Welcome to Casuarina Beach, Jaffna's hidden coastal paradise, where pristine white sands meet the gentle embrace of the Indian Ocean. Just an hour's drive from the city, this breathtaking beach offers the perfect escape into nature's serenity. As I arrived, I was welcomed by the soothing sound of waves and the soft, powdery sand beneath my feet. The waters stretched far into the horizon, calm and shallow, perfect for a relaxing swim or a peaceful walk along the shore. True to its name, Casuarina Beach is framed by lush casuarina trees, offering natural shade and a picture-perfect backdrop. Whether you're here to unwind with a book, enjoy a picnic, or simply breathe in the fresh sea air, this beach provides a slice of paradise. The shallow, crystal-clear waters make this beach ideal for families and non-swimmers. Watching children splash and play, I couldn't resist dipping my feet into the cool, refreshing waves myself. For those who love a scenic walk, the beach's shoreline leads toward the historic Karainagar lighthouse. Standing tall against the sky, it offers a glimpse into the region's maritime past and makes for a great photography spot. Casuarina Beach is at its best between December and March, when the weather is perfect for a beach day. Parking is available and entry is free, so bring your sunscreen, a picnic, and let the ocean breeze take your worries away. My visit to Casuarina Beach was a reminder of the simple joys of nature. Whether you're here for relaxation, exploration, or a quiet moment by the waves, this hidden gem in Jaffna is an experience that lingers long after you leave.